House Bill 4311, creating 10 additional branches of the RTC and 5 additional branches of the MTC in the National Capital Judicial Region to be stationed in the city of Taguig by Representative Bocobo. House Bill 3505, increasing the benefits of barangay officials by Representative Bocobo. House Bill 3506, prohibiting all forms of advertising on online gambling by Representative Bocobo. House Bill 2941, creating a barangay of Fort Bonifacio in the city of Taguig, Metro Manila by Representative Bocobo. House Bill 3594, creating the Barangay Central Bikutan in Taguig by Representative Bocobo.
House Bills 3006 to 3013, creating certain barangays in the city of Taguig by Representative Bocobo.
House Bill 4116, creating the Emergency Response Department by Representative Bocobo.
To the Committee on Higher and Technical Education as members, Jorge Daniel Bocobo. To the Committee on Trade and Industry as members, Jorge Daniel Bocobo. To the Committee on Banks and Financial Intermediaries as Vice Chairperson, Daniel Bocobo. As Assistant Majority Leaders, Jorge Daniel S. Bocobo,